You know that if you keep hitting Ctrl Z or Command Z and you still can't get your design back, well, don't panic. Figma has a secret weapon known as version history. Just go to your file, then click show version history. Now you will see a full timeline of all your files. Every changes, every contributor will appear here. Now click any version you want, then you can preview that version, and if you want to go back, hit the restore version and it takes you to that version you did. You can rename the version and you can restore the version, or you just need one element from this version. All you have to do is just to copy from your preview, then paste it in the file you want it to be. It's very simple and it is straightforward. So whenever you lose an item or a design, or you forgot something and mistakenly it got deleted and you got carried away that you didn't even notice, and when you noticed it was already too late, now this is time for the version history. Now you can also rename key versions before major edits and it saves you from future stress. So it's just easy and it's very accessible. And do not forget to follow me for more Figma tips. Bye.